driveway in the snow. Ready? Here's my sled. Set. Steer off the road! I'm gonna go down backwards. That was fun. I'm gonna go down super fast. Okay. Ready? Now that was fun. Go! Set, go! Good thing I dodged that one. Climbing up Mount Everest. I'm going to go in upside down so that the camera gets everything. You know what? Whatever. That's too hard. Gonna go in. Oh, this is really hard, guys. Oh, I made it out. Poisonous plant! I'm gonna spend the night here on this nice little ledge. 7 hours later and a good night's sleep. Okay, must start my next climb. Avalanche! Dang it, I'm back at the bottom. Let's go up here. Under into the valley. Going up. I can see the top. I've reached it. The top of Mount Everest. That's an avalanche. That was easy.
I didn't want to go down by accident. You wouldn't be ready.
The aftermath of a Kiera avalanche.
Woohoo! Oh, stop. Get off.
Okay, Kiera, go ahead. Oh my gosh, doing a split on that thing. Careful, Kiera, doing that.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm filming you. Oh my god, she's doing a split. Look what she's doing. Gymnastics sledding. Careful. Woohoo! Oh, stop, stop, stop. Get off. Stop her, stop her, stop her. Kiera, you might not be able to stop. It gets steep. Careful.
Oh my gosh, Kiera. Look at Kiera go.
Reasonable. You think you're only the videos you make. It's real. Can you please put your camera away? Morgan, get on with her. There's more weight. It's okay. Yeah. Right. Only the slow plow's going to be coming through. We can hear them coming. Hey, Kiera. Hey, yo. Blizzard 16.
Go down the hill.
Let's try to sled down. Hey, yo. A snowball for Morgan and then a slide for Kiera. Come on, Kiera.
Kiera, come on now.
Come on, Bug. All right, come on. Ready. Woo! Now if you go again, you'll end up in that pile. It'd be fun that way too. Slide into a giant pile. Oh, Kiera. Kiera, you gonna go on the next run into the pile? Alright, don't go up that way, you can't. It's snowy.
Too slippery.
Too slippery, come on.
Slippery.
Come on, Kiera, go around, honey, come on. Seriously. I'll go where I'm gonna go. I know, it's snowing like crazy. We're gonna lose our sleds. Give that pile a ride for its life. Come on. Woo!